What's happening, everybody? Just working on the boat here. Give a little quick progress update. I don't think the vlog today is going to be very long. I forgot my tripod and I forgot my selfie stick, so I got to hold it up with my arm today. So there's what they got done over the past couple days. Got that all cleaned up and whitened up with new paint. Put some resin over on this one. Got that one starting to go. And I believe this side is painted as well. So got that all done there. Starting to come together. Now what I've been doing the whole time since I was here is pretty well. Sorry about the planer in the background if it's a little loud. But been getting all these beams ready. Cutting those out. Those cuts right there I did not do. That was Ricardo, not me. Getting all those new cross members all up there. So all those beams in the front there, on the side, this side, running down here, new piece there, and got some more cut over there. They're just not in place yet. So tore all that out and I've been replacing it all with new stuff. New cuts everywhere. New beams. Tore all of that fiberglass out. And getting ready to redo it. Here's the inside. It's pretty big too. Definitely could have a good party on here, especially with the other two floats on the other side. Set up some hammocks, get some cervezas. Oh, party! There's the hatch up front, and looking out into the back. I guess 3 years ago they started working on this, and it was pretty well almost sunk. I guess 30 centimeters was only sticking up out of the water, and there was about that much crud on it. Barnacles, dirt, dust, crud, crap, all kinds of garbage on there that they were scraping off. So it looks a big difference from when they first got it, I guess. I think I mentioned in my other vlog that this is a trimaran, and catamaran has only one middle one in the middle, and then another one to make two with the sail right in the middle of it. And the trimaran, the main hull is in the center here, and then there's one on the right and then one on the left, and that's what makes it a trimaran, Tri-3. So yeah, this is its 7th rebuild. Oh, now if only these walls could talk, they could tell you some stories, eh? How it got sunk 7 times. Woo! And as always, it's another like 30-degree day here in Mexico. I don't think we've hit a day that we're below 30 for all the time that I've been here. Holy jeez. For Canada, we only get this like once, twice a week maybe, if we're lucky in the summer. And here it's every day. Oh man, awesome stuff, eh? So this boat is called the Triton. Triton. I don't know if you've noticed, but Triton, Trimaran. There it is. And I believe that the Triton is 35 feet long and 18 meters wide. So it'd be like 35 and 35 approximately. And oh, there's another lizard right there. This place is just filled with lizards. It's right on the water. I'll switch it around. And I guess over across the way is Belize. So that land you see over there isn't Mexico. I guess that's Belize over there. Pretty calm day today compared to the other days. Nice and calm. Waves are just crashing in the other day. Oh, we're working so hard today. We got some bull nuts we're drinking on here. Huevos a toro, bull nuts. That's what it is in English. Well, we're making some headway today. Got some wood in, got some new wood in, got some old wood out. You see behind me there? Got part of the deck on. So we're making some headway, eh? Considering it's, you know, It's beer o'clock. You know, it's 5 o'clock somewhere, right? So can't help but have a couple cervezas while you're on the job. Cheers. Beer o'clock. Oh yeah. Well, that's the vlog for today. Just a little short one. Just working on the boat. Got some sun, had some beers. Oh, I still got the pencil in my ear. Look at that. Anyway, everybody, you got dreams, make them into reality. Make sure you live your life that you want to. Don't just dream about it, live it. Rise up, accept that challenge. Be a phoenix. Take care, everybody.